In this guide, you will learn how to delete your FIFA ticketing account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to the official website of FIFA Ticketing. Type in fifa.com/tickets. Then go ahead and provide your account credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Now, here you're going to find the profile icon. Click on that. Click on My Account option. Here you're going to find different account details. Scroll down. You're going to find the option of Request Account Deletion. Click on that. Now you're going to get this kind of pop-up. Click on Confirm Deletion. After you click on this, the system will automatically process your request and you will receive a confirmation email from noreply@fifa.com letting you know that your account deletion request has been successfully submitted. Keep in mind that when you delete your FIFA ticketing account, your FIFA ID will also be permanently deleted, so you will lose access to any associated ticketing data or services. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.